Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick little video. This is a problem we're seeing with DataReviewer. This is at 10.1, Service Pack 1. It's been reproduced by support, and but I wanted to just create a little video so that people can see the behavior that we're experiencing. We want to deploy on 10.1. There's a problem with this on 10.2 as well, and there's another additional problem with 10.2 that makes it even more of a showstopper. But this right now is a showstopper for us to move forward with DataReviewer at 10.1. So right now I have a version called DR, and here's all my data. So I come in here, I'm going to click this little checkbox. Right now I have Reviewer Workspace, DataReviewer at nopeserver.ste. If I were to, this is an SDE connection. If I were to open up my catalog window and go look at my connections, nowhere in here will you see, let me go back to that quickly, hopefully. Nowhere in here will you see a DataReviewer at nope server. Is that modeless? That's modeless. That'd be nice if this wasn't modeless. So I'm looking for DataReviewer at nope server. Since this is alphabetized, I would see that somewhere between DataReview and Dave Donnelly. I do not. It's not. That connection is not on my local machine. I went to the DataReviewer tables themselves. I cannot figure out where that is stored. It's not in any of the tables that are actually that I can access through our catalog. So once again, so DataReviewer, nope server. Now at this point, I could start up and I could say pick my session and start it, and then boom, I'm good to go. So that's not necessarily a problem, but there is some issue going on here. So what I can do is let me go ahead and I'm going to browse. Browse to what I've connected to, what I've created. It's called DataReviewer at OS. Switches. Okay, good to go. That's what I want to start with. That's my Reviewer Workspace. That's the connection that's actually on here. It's actually in my connection drop down here. So now I'm going to say, I'm going to pick TED 2, my session 10. I'm going to go ahead and start session. Oh, well, what happened? My Reviewer Workspace just changed on me. I didn't change it. It changed on itself. Now it's called DataReviewer at nope server again. And session, I don't want to do DataReviewer at nope server. I want to do my connection. Because everybody, the way I'd anticipate is everybody's going to have their own naming convention. They're all connecting to the same workspace. The database is called DataReview. They're all connected to that same exact workspace. They probably will all want to have their own connection. So let me go over Reviewer Workspace, DataReviewer at OS. Go back to TED 2, and start session again. Oh, I'm back to DataReviewer at nope server again. So what I've discovered is, if I go to Advanced, Database Properties Workspace, change that back to DataReviewer OS. Gives me, hey, next time you start a session, it will be started. Cool. End session. Start session. Now I'll go back to General. There it is. So here I can end session and start session, and it will retain this, which is what I want. However, if I'm Melissa, or I'm Nope, or I'm Arturo, or Jason, anybody on the staff here at the assessor, everyone is going to see what I've just chosen as my Reviewer Workspace. When I change it here, it changes it for everybody that's connected to the database here. This happens at 10.1. This happens at 10.2. I'll probably create a video in 10.2 just to show, but at 10.2, when I switch between, so right now if I go and I select Arturo, oh, this is a problem too. Oh, this is a problem. To me, this is a problem in 10.1 and 10.2, I guess. This is good. So maybe this isn't a problem. Maybe this is just something that I would think that is maybe a feature. But if I'm QC and I want to go ahead and work with Arturo stuff, because I'm going to review Arturo stuff, my expectation is this username should say T. Cronin in it. So do I have to come in here and type in T Cronin and then start session on it and have it keep it as T Cronin? Is that the workflow? Or, because to me I see this as, this should be kind of like OS authenticated. It should change based on the Windows authenticated user to who I am. Because I want to go through Arturo, and when I run my checks, I want T Cronin to show up. So it's good. It's good. I'm actually able to see this in 10.1 because I'm seeing this as that it's an OS authenticated user that's not working as an OS authenticated fill-in for this field type. And so it's the same behavior in 10.2 as well. Excellent that this actually changed here. Not necessarily for our workflow, but definitely excellent that I don't have to do this in 10.2. Because ultimately, as I'm QC, I'm going to be checking out Melissa's, Nope's, Arturo's, you know, whatever, right? I don't want to have to change this each time, but I mean, if that's what we have to do, I guess that's what we have to do. So I guess that's it. That's for the video I wanted to show. The primary purpose of this video was that when I try to connect to a reviewer workspace, like when Nope goes in there, he can override and put it back to Nope server. And he can do that by doing the database properties change here. The other thing that I see with this as a problem is we start to see problems with field updates. The problem here is I don't want Nope, I'm the DBO on here, I don't want Nope to be able to connect as my connection and be able to add fields. And so that's kind of the worry. So yep, I just wanted to put this up and hopefully you find this useful.